Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aniqa Shaikh and I am from Pakistan. Today I am going to talk about definitions of learning. So first we will learn about word learning. Origin of word learning is from Old English language "leurong", which means study, action of acquiring knowledge. Basically, it is known as the act or experience of one that learns. But learning is a wide term. It is a process of acquiring new or modifying existing knowledge, behaviors, skills, values, and preferences. Learning is also known as the ability which is possessed by humans, animals, and some machines as well. The studies show that there is also evidence for some kind of learning in some plants. It is said that learning can be immediate, incidentally, or accidentally, but much skill and knowledge accumulates from repeated experiences. Learning starts right from the birth and continues throughout of our lifetime. We learn new things in every minute of our life. In psychology, learning is defined in different ways. According to different psychologists, they often define learning as a relatively permanent change in behavior as a result of experience. The psychology of learning focuses on a range of topics related to how people learn and interact with one another. According to Lev Vygotsky, he defined learning as that learning occurs through language and social interaction. Jean Piaget defined learning as an active construction of new sense of relatively. According to Ivan Pavlov, said that it is a function of a change in overt behavior. Getz defines learning as a modification of behavior through experiences. B.F. Skinner defined learning that it is a process of progressive behavior adaptation. These definitions are from the famous psychologists who define the learning according to their experiences or ideas. As I told you before that learning is a really wide term. It is defined in different ways. In short, learning is an act process by which behavior is changed, shaped and controlled, a relatively permanent change, experience, knowledge, acquired skills, modification in behavior, these all are referred to learning, or we can say they are related to the definition of learning. In other words, learning is a measurable and permanent change in behavior through experiences. Instruction or study, learning itself cannot be measured, but its result can be. In the word Harvard Business School psychologist Chris described learning as a detection and correction of error. In conclusion, learning is the process of acquiring new or modifying existing knowledge, behavior, skills, values, and experiences. Learning is often defined as relatively lasting change in behavior. It can happen in several ways, such as through observation, experience, via imitation, social interaction, environment, and etc. According to Ambrose, 2010, page number 3, learning is a process, not a product. Learning is a change in knowledge, beliefs, behaviors, or attitude, and learning is not something done to students but something that students themselves do. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.